Introduction to numbers. Numbers are a mathematical concept used to describe the quantity or number of an object or thing. Numbers can be used to perform mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Types of numbers. Natural numbers. N. Natural numbers are positive integers starting from 1 and so on. Whole numbers. Z. Whole numbers are natural numbers which also include negative numbers and zero. Fractional numbers. Key. Fractional numbers are numbers that can be expressed in the form of fraction a or b, where a and b are whole numbers and b is not equal to 0. Decimal numbers. R. Decimal numbers are fractional numbers with denominators 10, 100, 1000, and so on. Rational numbers. Key. Rational numbers are numbers that can be expressed in the form of fraction a or b, where a and b are whole numbers and b is not equal to 0. Whole numbers and fractional numbers are also included in the rational number category. Irrational numbers. R. Irrational numbers are numbers that cannot be expressed in fractional form a or b, and have decimal values that do not end and do not repeat. Integers. Whole numbers are numbers that do not have commas or fractions. Examples of integers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Properties of integers. Any odd numbers can be written in the form to n plus 1, where n is an integer. Every even number can be written in the form to n, where n is an integer. Every integer can be expressed as the product of prime factor. Fractional numbers. Fractional numbers are numbers that consist of parts smaller than 1. Fractional numbers consist of two parts, namely the numerator and the denominator. The numerator is the top part of the fraction, while the denominator is the bottom of part of the fraction. Example of fractional numbers. Some examples of fractional numbers include 1/2, 3/4, 2/5. Fractional numbers. Fractional number operation include addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. To carry out this operation, it is necessary to adjust the denominators so that they have the same value. Decimal numbers. Decimal numbers are a number system consisting of the numbers 0 to 9 and a decimal point. The decimal point is used to separate the whole number and fractional parts. Example of the decimal numbers: 0.5, 3.14159, and 10.75. Decimal number operation. Adding and subtracting decimal numbers is done like whole numbers, ensuring the decimal points are in the same position. Multiplication of decimal numbers is also done like whole numbers. Then the result is calculated by adding the number of digits to the right of the decimal point in both factors. Division of decimal numbers is also done like whole numbers. Then the result is calculated by moving the decimal point in the numerator to the right as far as the number of digits to the right of the decimal point in the denominator.